Just minding his own business. Imagine if Pearl's gifts were from Santa would be to Mum, and now I don't get any Christmas presents. Maybe that's true. Have you ever seen what Mrs. Molly looks like? Like other bars I've had before. Yep, RIP PlayStation Network servers. I smell fries. My little brother's gonna do like some sort of music video and stuff. Yes, let's go 3D printing event. Let's go. Mountain Warehouse TX Change 3D printing. Let's go. Wi-Fi's here. I'm gonna film it.
Oh, that's not sticking.
Okay, this is the most coolest light out of this year.
Yeah. But yeah, that's not working at all, guys. It's not printing on this side at all.
It could still be, well, I don't know.
Should have gone through by now, Bryce.
It is really impressive as well.
Right, or is it not pushing fast enough?
Because some of the sides where there's still bits of plastic stuck in it could be slipping.
Yeah.
And then, yeah, true. Yeah, you still think it's not much. That is, you know, the precision engineering then.
I can already think of like what other, like what else could happen as well, like if you try and 3D print something.
What? Yeah. Well, you look.
Yeah. That is very strange that it's thin in some places and not in others.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe not as bad as that, but I'm going to have to have
Attempt 2. This is like the second attempt, I guess. It's probably going to do better than the other one.
Right, I don't know what this is doing wrong still.
That looks better. That looks better. Well, between Andrew and myself, I managed to get somewhere. You've been levelling it. That bit
Looks like it's running out or something.
Looks like that's too high this end.
I'm going to do an Instagram live. I think I accidentally ended my Instagram live, but if I were lost, I would just do, like WhatsApp phone my mum or something like that. Yeah, because after all, I'm not alone. Wi-Fi here, strangers here. I could easily just ask for help. If I were lost. Well, I'm going for a Subway now, because my mum just phoned me, and yeah, I'm gonna go meet her. Or wait, am I? Okay, yeah, I'm not leaving the building. I just went out of TX Change, so I'm gonna go find some Subway. Basically, this is now the hunt for Subway. There you are, Subway. I even found my mom. Hi. This is the hunt for Subway now. Bye.